Uh-oh.
In my sea of loathing, broken, your servant died. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side.